Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a WhatsApp message using Twilio or WATI inside your automation scenario, from setup to test. First, open your scenario. Think of this as your workspace where each block represents a step in the workflow. Make sure you're in the correct project and that you have permission to edit, so your changes are captured as you go. Next, click the plus button to add a new module to the flow. This is where you'll define what service will send your message. In the search bar, type WhatsApp, Twilio, or WATI. These providers enable WhatsApp messaging through approved APIs. Choose the option that matches your provider and your account setup. If you aren't sure which one to pick, use the same provider you already use for messaging or the one your team has provisioned. From the available actions, choose Send Message. This action tells the module to deliver a WhatsApp message to the number you specify, using the text you provide. Now click Add Connection. This is how you link your scenario to your messaging provider securely. A window will open asking you to authenticate. Enter your API credentials. Use the credentials issued by your provider, and keep them secure. Copy and paste them carefully, double-checking for extra spaces. Provider offers different environments. Be sure you're using the correct one for testing or production, depending on your goal today. Set the phone number you want to message. Use the full international format with the country code, and avoid dashes or spaces if your provider requires E.164 formatting. Make sure the recipient has opted in to receive WhatsApp messages, and that your number is registered and approved to send on WhatsApp. Enter your message. Keep it clear and concise. If your account requires message templates for certain types of outreach, select an approved template and fill in any placeholders exactly as specified. For quick tests, a short, friendly line works well so you can verify delivery and formatting. Click OK to confirm the module settings. This saves your configuration within the scenario and prepares it for a test. Click Run once to send a single test message. Watch the module's output to confirm success, and check the recipient device to verify the message appears as expected. If it fails, review your credentials, phone number format, and any template requirements. Finally, click Save. This preserves your setup so you can reuse it, schedule it, or expand it later. That's it. You've configured and tested a WhatsApp send using Twilio or WATI inside your scenario.